Today we're working on loading some media information into a project that we've been working on. We started a project a little while ago. This is called generic. You'll notice that in our catalog we have generic items. We also have one item from Harloff, which we've been working on. Actually, two items. I won't get into the Revit symbol or the CAD symbols at the moment, but we will know that we've already loaded a project. So let's open it and select it, and we're going to open, and you'll see four items that I've listed just for our demonstration here. One of the things that we want to do is we want to add media, but let's first look at the information that I have already. For the example, you'll see below that it has information loaded, PDF, and forms. Any of this, like the infusion pump, you can click on and it'll bring up all of your PDF data. I think you've seen this in other demonstrations in the past. It's not important for this one. So what we want to do is quickly load media. It's one of the things that I have not done yet for the monitor. So we want to add media. Go here, and because I have all of my information into my equip under my C, we'll find that there's a monitor, infusion, and exam light. So we don't have information for our monitor. So what I want to do is pick this, and we know that because we're not batch loading, each piece of information is loaded as a single file. And you'll see that it's loading right now. We can also open the detail, and when we open the detail, you'll see that we have item information that has pricing, specification, and group switches, active statuses, inactive, optional, and incomplete. Without going into too much detail, that informs you, the user, that there may or may not be updates that are directly associated. In this project we have Harloff, which is a direct project through Harloff. So any information that they have that they change will directly be passed through the system, and you can have an alert that comes up on your desktop that says the manufacturer has changed a specification, a utility, or something associated with that information that you need to have in your project. By selecting inactive, it keeps everything the same. In other words, it's not updatable. So just wanted to touch base on that one detail. So if we go down, we notice that there's freight, installation, info, discounts. We know that there's some notes that we can put. There's shipping instructions. There's freight. There's totals. And there's media. Now, you saw me load media directly to that item. Here you can also load media. I can hit add and find that there's a PDF associated with brochure information. That gets loaded now. And what we want to do is, once this is loaded, I want to generate a spec book. Okay? About every one of you architects, engineers out there know what I'm talking about. A spec book or a submittal sheet pile that typically sits on your desk, or an equipment planner provides. So what we want to do is hit spec book up in your corner here, and it opens you to pop out, and this is KCL's version. You'll see that your project name is listed here, and what we're going to do is call this demo for me. Company's name is Equip, me, cover sheet replaced. Now you can put anything you want. You can put your own cover sheet on this. It doesn't matter. But you can use a custom logo image on the default, and it could be sized accordingly. Cover page, it's your company. Cover page text, this is your demo, of course. And we'll move down through here. There's boilerplate, insert boilerplate PDF. Now, all of you work in master spec. That can be defaulted to the master spec division that you work with on a daily basis. So in our case, it's 11400, 11700. It's equipment specialty, which we have specifications for and we can load. But in this case, this is just a demo. We can also include other options, include quantity, utility information. Let me show you a little bit about, and print everything in uppercase. I always like uppercase. But more into this, I just wanted to point out that you have selectables all the way down here for all your utilities. Also included is 9 user-defined fields. These can be customized for whatever you're doing. If you have a specific area that you're involved in, I highly recommend a little customization, and everything should work perfectly in your Specbooks. So this also includes a watermark. Now, there are other things that we can present and provide here. Let's see. If we have include items with no spec. Yeah, let's do that. And start items, okay. So we want to put watermark? No, I don't want to put watermark. All right, so let's generate a Specbook. Now, this typically takes 10 seconds. So 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds. All right. So here we have everything that's included with the PDF. Now we can generate this. We can go back, and we could set it up since it retains all the information from before, and we can exclude everything. And that way we get everything, including Harloff. So let's generate that. And it should give us all of our information. Okay, as you see, Harloff Company is there. Although we don't provide big manuals or PDFs, it is there. So if we click on this button, it'll take us right to the PDF. Oh, it'll send a PDF, I'm sorry. But we're not going to do that right now. What we want to do is I want to show you, okay, the email address, okay, so we don't have an email address, so let's cancel out this, and we can then go to, let's look at it, the whole thing in a PDF. Okay, current browser. So this is what it's going to look like on your browser. I could have selected pop-up window, but for this case, we're not going to do that. As you see down here, we have the pop-outs, and we can go, we want to go back. And we want to examine how many things. So here's your table of contents, your information, electrical, since it says electrical, and all of the information associated with that. So this is what it looks like at this level. I'm going to exit out, and what we want to do after we've stopped, we want to back out of the report. Now, I can save the report. We can look at it in various fashions, but at the moment, this is the cover page. This is the control panel that allows you to send your reports out. So let's go back to our project. Now, you'll see also with Specbook, you got information like flyers associated with your equipment. These are quick, they're very fast, and they're very direct. I don't need to explain too much about these. So we can exit out of that, and I just wanted to let you know that all of this is very simple to use, as you can see, and I've been able to kind of go through quickly assembling a Specbook or a cutbook with your media. Now, of course, either the manufacturer delivers the information to you or you build your own, and we provided some generic information for you to build your own using an example. Hope you have good luck on this, and let me know how it all turns out, or send any questions to me. Thank you.